Okay, let's read it.
Shake.
Snakes.
And space.
Caster
Of
characters.
Cast of characters.
Alvin
And 11-year-old boy.
Nana.
His grandmother and Nana.
Command. Okay, command. Command. Who's in charge? Something command. Okay, what's that? Cast of the character, the group of the character. Okay, commander.
Commander. A person who is in charge of a group of people.
Okay.
Commander.
Okay.
The city police commander.
Okay. Okay, the head of the police department. Okay.
Commander. C-O-M-A-N-D-E-R. Commander. There.
Okay, commander. Okay. Let's write Nana.
His grandmother and commander of the spaceship.
Wilfred.
A robot with several blinking lights and a control screen.
Good. Oops.
A space creature with many snake-like arms and extremely long fingers.
Okay. Side description. Okay.
Child description. 1 sentence.
Sing. Okay. Sing. In a play you have sing. Sing. Okay, sing. Okay, you see that's a background, right? They perform, then later they change it, so they move to another scene. Scene. Okay, a play has many, a drama has many scenes. Okay, what's it? Good.
Commander. A person who is in charge of a group of people. Police commander.
Okay. Scene. Okay.
One of the
Subdivisions
of a play.
A play, a drama. Okay.
Scene.
Scene.
C
Okay, spell.
S C E N E C.
Okay, scene. And okay, scene one.
C1 the
Flight
fight
deck.
of a spaceship.
Okay, flight deck. Okay, flight deck of a spaceship. Okay, the flight deck. Spaceship. Okay. Yeah, that's the flight deck. Okay. Maybe a name. Flight, flight deck.
Deck.
Flight deck. Okay, what's the
Scene. Scene. Scene.
C
okay, a part of the play drama, okay. Okay, deck.
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 Okay. A platform.
and a ship.
Okay, some usually as a structure element.
Deck.
Deck.
Deck. Deck.
Deck.
Okay. Deck. Okay, here.
A flat surface that forms the
Main
outside
floor.
of a boat or ship.
Okay, a flat surface.
Deck.
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 Okay, can spell.
T-E-C-K. Deck.
Okay, flat deck.
The flat deck of a spaceship. There are two seats. Controls for
Steering. Okay, change your direction. Steer. I think I could say steer. Steer. No. Steering. Okay, look at this one. You can change your direction. Like, yeah, there's a steering wheel. Okay. Okay, you can go left or right. What's that?
deck.
Deck. Deck.
Deck.
Deck.
Okay, here.
A flat surface.
Steer.
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 Okay. Okay, to direct the steer is a noun.
Yeah, look.
Okay, what's that?
Steer. Fab. To control the
Course of. Okay, to control the direction. Okay, spell it.
S-T-E-E-R. Steer.
Okay, steer. Okay. There are two seats. Controls.
Force.
Okay, controls for
Steering
steering.
the ship and a large screen with a view of many stars
Okay,
seen to a
meadow. Okay,
meadow.
a flat land with not grass.
Meadow on planet
Over.
the rain metal is filled with tall, thin as shaped planets.
Plants.
There are several great giant.
Good. Giant.
Yellow. S-shaped.
S
Shaped.
shaped.
S-shaped box.
Okay. S shaped. Okay. S shaped rock. Okay. Okay. Look. Oh no. Yeah. That's S shaped. Okay. It's not straight. Like that. S shaped rock. Okay. Props. Okay. Yeah. What's
Steer.
steer,
Steer.
steer,
Steer.
steer,
steer to control the direction of the space? Steer. Okay.
prop,
Pop.
prop,
Pop.
prop,
Pop.
prop,
Prop. Okay, a prop. Okay, short of a property is any movable object act handles on stage or screen. Okay. Prop are tools or items character interact with. I see. Prop means property. Okay. Or things that carry or can be. I see. Prop. A side prop. Okay. Prop. Okay. Any movable object on the stage. Okay, that's a prop.
Props.
Okay.
Props for C2R broken spaceship.
Engine.
Is a toolbox for up tools.
Okay. Okay, that's a cover page. That's what's up.
Cover page. C1.
Okay, scene one. Let's read scene one.
C1.
Okay.
Setting the
Flight. Flight. You take an airplane. A flight. Okay. Flight. No. What's going on? No. Why? Flight. Okay, that's a flight. Okay, flight. What's that?
prop, prop, prop,
Okay, prop.
flight, 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 flight,
Okay, I think we can stop here. Maybe.
flight,
Can I spell?
F-L-I-G-H-T. Flight.
Okay, we stop.